Hello, Spencer Claydon on the Claydon farm today, and you'll see behind me the 15-metre straw harrow. I'm currently in a tiny little field, just 1.15 hectares, and I'm going to just show you how quickly and easily it is to do with a 15-metre straw harrow. So let's get going. Put the auto on, we'll unpause the task, and away we go. So straw harrowing is a very quick, a very cheap operation. We're currently doing 23 kilometers an hour up here, and I've got the auto steer on, so it's just whistling along, no problem whatsoever. Currently 40 seconds in, including my blurb at the beginning. Slow down a little bit to 19 kilometers an hour for the top here, and driving by hand on this top edge, and away we go back into auto. And that straw harrow is just creating a nice tilth. It's getting the weed seeds and the volunteers just into the top surface. You can see we've already got a little flush here on this field from where the volunteers have started to grow. That will be taking those small plants out and reducing the weed burden. Again, over 20 kilometers an hour and doing 15 meters wide. We're pretty quick with this machine. That's the first lap, just about done. And we'll come round. You can see it's just done that little bit of movement and taken out a lot of this grass weed, or sorry, a lot of this volunteer material which is at the surface here. So we shall just get on to round two. Ding ding. And we're just filling in nicely there. 20 kilometers an hour. Wander on the task. I'll look at the task when we finish it. Zoom out a little bit so you can get a bit more of a panoramic view of what's going on. 2-minute video so far, and around we go, around the top. With the straw harrow, it's important that you turn with the straw harrow down. So a lot of these ones that have discs and things on the front, they can't operate properly and how you're supposed to operate them, which is a real pity because you can't turn with a disc down on the front of one of these. So a lot of it's just novelty, and really you want to be able to go quickly, and the disc inhibits that too. So yeah, the best idea is to have a straw harrow that doesn't have a cutting disc on the front, and that is strong enough and tough enough to be able to go over the ground nice and quickly. We do of course offer these in smaller widths. We offer 7.5, 9 meters, and also a little 3 meter as a mounted model, and then we do the 12 and the 15 here in the trailed. If we weren't running the business as well, I would probably just have a little 7.5 meter for our farm, but the reality is we're doing 1,000 acres or 900 acres of farming, and we've also got a business to run, so we need to get over things quickly. Right, 3.5 minutes and we are done and dusted. So we'll just have a little look at our task there, and back into the task controller, road field. So 1.15 hectares, 3 minutes that took me, and I used 1.87 litres of fuel, so just about sort of 2 litres of fuel per hectare, less than a litre of fuel an acre, which is very quick and very cheap. So field done. Thank you, that's enough from me today. I'll see you all around, and thank you for watching the video. Please drop us a like and follow us and all of that good stuff. Thanks a lot, bye bye.